Howdy y'all, welcome to this one. You know we can't go fishing all the time. And for those of y'all that are new to the channel, welcome. Kind of in the middle of the project right now. Already did the tub to shower conversion. Finished tiling the walls in the shower. Did the whole tile floor already and got it all grouted up. And this is going to be phase 2, which is going to be finishing out the kitchen and finishing out the restroom. It's going to involve electrical, plumbing, carpentry, and finish work. Hope y'all enjoy this one. Before we even start on the backsplash, we got to get that countertop on there and the sink. Let's go.
Sometimes you're better off dead. There's a gun in your hand that's pointing at your head. You think you're mad, too unstable, kicking in chairs and knocking down tables in a restaurant in a West End town. Call the police, there's a madman around, running down underground to a dive bar in a West End town. In a West End town, a dead end world, the East End boys and West End girls. In a West End town, a dead end world, the East End boys and West End girls. West End girls.
Alright y'all, and that was a lot of the cosmetics we had to get done. Now we gotta get back to the heart of it. Gotta pull this water heater out. We're gonna change out this air handler and this condenser. Also gotta run a new 3/8 liquid line. And we also have a recent move out about 2 doors down. And that's kind of why I try my best to get these things built in a way where they're really easy to clean up. I'm gonna leave you with a little walkthrough. Thanks for watching. Hope to catch you on the next one.